Om Namah Shivaya children. As in the last video we started with the chapter Save the Environment. We completed our introduction. Moving forward, we'll know what are the types of pollution and what are the effects of those pollution and its causes and ways to control the pollution. So the various types of pollution that hampers or that damages our environment is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, chemical and nuclear pollution. So the various kinds of pollution that endangers or damages our environment are the air, water, soil, noise, chemical and nuclear pollution. So before starting the air pollution, there are certain terms we'll be coming across. So we need to understand those words like global warming. What is global warming? It is the rise in temperature of Earth's surface. Now, see children, everyone is having two-wheeler or four-wheeler at your home. Now those vehicles emit various gases which pollutes the atmosphere. There are industry, gases comes out from those industries, factories. You have construction work going around, dust come from those. So these all gases, dust, they move into the atmosphere and rises the temperature. So that is what is called as global warming. Next is ozone layer. Ozone layer is a layer that is present in the atmosphere which protects our earth from harmful rays. So if the sun rays falls directly on earth, it will create diseases, it will have certain kind of skin diseases. So in order to protect from the harmful rays of the sun, there is a layer in the atmosphere called the ozone layer. Next is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. As I told, in our environment, it is very much essential that we should save our trees, save our plants. Why? Because cutting down of trees or deforestation leads to creating pollution. Now we get oxygen from trees. Now if the trees will not be there, then that will create or that will hamper our environment. Even there are so many other products that we get from these plants and trees. So it is very important we should protect our plant. Next is depleting. Depleting means decreasing. Like ozone layer, due to this pollution, slowly it is depleting, means decreasing, it is getting thinner. When we'll read further, again I'll tell you those words which are related to that point. We'll start with air pollution. Now here you can see certain pictures. Okay, these are the reason, these are the causes or from which the air is polluting. Now children, in air the main component is the oxygen. So in the air, main component is oxygen. What it does? It supports our life. It supports our life. So as I gave you an example just before now, that we should not cut trees. Why? Because from trees we get oxygen. We inhale oxygen. Now for us to live in, we need oxygen. So it is the main component that is present in the air or that is present in the atmosphere, and it supports life. So we cannot lose that. So in order to have a proper amount of oxygen, proper pure oxygen, we need to save our environment. So this air is polluted due to burning of fuels, poisonous gas coming from industry, ozone layer depleting. As I told you before, the word depleting means decreasing. So ozone layer is depleting, means day by day it is getting thinner, some holes are there. Now if the sun rays come through this, we'll have various kind of skin diseases. Carbon dioxide increases global temperature. I told you global warming, rise in temperature of Earth's surface. So this carbon dioxide comes from the vehicle, the gas that comes from the vehicle, from industry. That gas is poisonous for us. So the last one is deforestation. As I told you, Deforestation means cutting down of trees. So if we cut down trees, if we burn the trees, we will hamper the environment and air pollution will occur. How? Now see, as I told, main component is oxygen, and oxygen, what it does, it supports the life. Now these oxygen come from the trees, and if we cut down trees, so we are polluting our earth. And even you see, you go to any supermarket, every product you see directly or indirectly come from these trees, plants. So we need to save our trees, we need to save the plants. Next we'll be going to know the effects of air pollution and the ways to control it.